You clicked on this video either because you want to be able to braid your hair yourself, or you're just wowed at the idea that people are able to do this themselves and you want to see how. Whatever your reason is, you're at the right stop. Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. My name is Melissa, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys something a little bit different from the kind of content I usually put out, which is not a bad thing. I'm going to be showing you how to do extremely flat knotless braids on your natural hair by yourself in 2022, at home, school, or anywhere. If you are being honest, these are the only items you need: a comb to section or part your hair into smaller sections, preferably a small one, a spray bottle containing any product combo of your choice, another comb to comb bigger portions of your hair, edge control, your hair extension, a lot of snacks, food, and then movies. Let's get into the process. What you have to do first, and obviously, is to cut your hair extension into your desirable length. I just cut mine into 2. I wanted it long, but then not so long. I'm not really a fan of long hairs, like all those really long ones that they don't cut, because hair is heat. I don't even like long weave ones. You have to cut it and then stretch it. To section my hair, I like to part it into 4, like this, and then I start working my way through each of them. This particular segment requires a lot of finger work. Like, you need to open your third eye. You cannot see your hair, and whatever you do, no matter how alert you are, it is never going to be 100% straight because you can't see what you are cutting. Make sure you use a really sharp cutting comb to pass through the hair, and then you also need to use your fingers to feel the line. Let's get to the next step: creating false bantu knots. I never used to do this before, but I decided to this time around, and trust me, it made the entire process a lot easier. All you have to do is go around your hair creating knots like this, or any knots that you feel you can work your way around, and when you're done, you can now begin your braiding process. This is another step that is going to make the entire process easier and will also help reduce stress on your arms when you start braiding your hair. I would advise you to carry out this step before putting your hair into knots. That way you get to know the exact amount of braiding hair you're working with. Am I making sense? Now, we're making knotless braids. The amount of parts you divide your braiding hair into determines how fat or flat you want your braids to be. I divided mine into 4 or 5 parts depending on the size of natural hair that I was working with. You can do something similar or different depending on what you want. Divide your hair into 3 parts and then start crossing them on top one another. Look closely, because this is something you need to learn more with your eyes than with the words coming out from my mouth. Divide your hair into 3 parts and then start crossing them on top one another. Introduce your braiding hair. Put one end of the braiding hair on your natural hair, which is currently in the center. Hold it firmly. Now, cross the hair in the middle to what is currently right, and cross the one on the left to the center. Introduce another braiding hair, one end in the middle. Cross the hair in the middle to what is my left. Cross the hair currently in the middle to what is my right. Keep repeating the process as you keep on adding your hair extensions. Watch closely. Divide your hair into 3. Now take the hair from the left to the middle. Add some hair extension, one end in the middle. Take just your natural hair to the middle without the hair extension. Take the hair from the left to the middle. Now take the hair from your left, your natural hair plus the hair extension, you haven't added anything, to the center. Come to the end of this video, and I really hope you were able to learn something. However, before you go, I want to say a very big thank you to everybody that showed so much love on my last video. Honestly, I am really excited. I still am. I can't say it was, because I still am really excited. I loved the video. I like that something that I planned made people happy. Stop. Anyways, yeah, expect, if you have not seen the video, I'll link it somewhere, but make sure you go watch it. Turn the entire thing into a series known as the Breakfast series, and it's going to be called TBS for short. Expect episode 2. It is coming real soon, and I will see you in my next video. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and every single one of my videos.